On 21st of March 2020, I took a flight from Kolkata and returned back to home. And from that day, I thought that after every 20 to 30 days, I thought that no, it will be fine. We will be in the normal position. But never thought that this pandemic is going to last so long. As of now, I think we have covered 6 months of this pandemic, and still there are no chances or no clues to get back to the normal lives. But hoping so that in the coming 2 to 3 months everything will be normal, though the vaccine has not been generated yet. But as we see that Russia has done experiment and they are producing vaccines, but still in the normal market it will take time to come. So talking here about how will be the life after this COVID-19. As you all know that the economic recession in the whole world is facing economic recession, and it put a great impact on India also, as the GDP growth of India has declined so much, and it is quite tough to recover at a very short span of time. So we will have a great impact in every sector of the country, either be it a manufacturing unit or an IT sector. The people are losing jobs as of being an engineer in the final year, as I was to place. Our campus placement was to be held by August, but yet now we are at home. So as my life is going to affect so much, because till now we would have a joining letter or call letter from the company, but as of now I'm sitting at home and making this video. So definitely each and every people will be affected by this corona and COVID-19, and when the market will reopen, the real challenges you will have to face after the market will reopen. But as we see now that even many in parts of the country, they are as you can see that there are partial lockdown and partial it is open. Many people go to work, many people don't go to work, still now they are living at home, so they don't feel the necessity to expand extra monies, so they don't feel anything right now. But as the market will open, and the crisis you will see in every person's pocket, they won't be able to buy certain things first and all those things. So it will be a great challenge for India as well as the whole world to manage unemployment, and the crime rates will go high as well. As in the education sector, the children have wasted around 6 months, though some students are reading of them on self or taking online classes, but still the major part of the students who live in rural part of the area, where the connectivity of internet is not too good, where the connectivity of roads are not too good, they are unable to study. They just waste their time whole day by playing and walking and gossiping all around, because also of lack of awareness they don't do anything. So I think it will be a great impact, and this to recover this COVID-19 situation, I think it will take around 4 to 5 years to get back to the normal life. So there are many things to talk on this topic, but as time doesn't allow me, so concluding here, this is me, Furkan Arse. Till then, stay awesome, stay productive. Thank you.